Today I want to try putting canvas prints into these coaster molds. So I have these canvases, it's just canvas with a print on it. I'm going to put it in my Cricut and make 3.5 inch rounds. So I will do that and be right back. Alright, I am back. I've cut these on my Cricut, 3.5 inch rounds, and these are the 4 I've chosen. I actually wound up cutting about 20 and placed them in to see which ones I liked, and these were the 4 I chose. So to start, what I am going to do is I'm just going to mix up a small amount of resin. But first, can we talk about this mold? I have no affiliation with the person who makes this, but this mold is incredible. It has, the texture on the sides. It's excellent quality. I'm in love. It's from Pouring Your Heart Out. I will link it below in case anyone else is interested, but I'm just in love with this mold. So again, I'm just pouring a small amount of clear resin into the bottom, just enough to basically cover the bottom. And it's very important doing this as well that you make sure you get rid of all the bubbles. You want a very clear, clean pour. Then let that cure per the manufacturer's instructions. And I'm doing the middle thing, which I have no clue what this thing is. If anyone knows, please put it in the comments and let me know what that little round thing in the middle is supposed to be for. Alright, so the resin's now cured, and now what I'm going to do is, again with some clear resin, I'm just going to pour a small amount on top of that previously cured layer, and then I'm going to spread that a little, and again, very important, make sure you don't have any bubbles. I'm just going to use the back side of the spoon just to basically move that around and flatten it out, because again, I don't want a whole lot, I just want a small amount. And then I spritzed it with some isopropyl alcohol. Now, you see me here spritzing each one with isopropyl alcohol. Should not have done that. Lesson learned. But I did that trying to keep myself from getting bubbles. But what it actually did was make the ink bleed. I don't think that these were very expensive prints, so spraying alcohol onto ink is probably not the smartest thing I've ever done. But once you have them placed face down, then I just used a popsicle stick to press that down into that resin that I previously placed, and you'll be able to actually watch the canvas change color, and then you'll know that it's actually adhered and that you don't have any bubbles underneath. And you just want to make sure that you do that for each of the coasters, and then when you're done, spritz it with a little isopropyl alcohol and let it cure. Now that we're back, I'm going to use this Brilliant Gold on the cured resin. I'm just now using about another 4 ounces, and I am putting some isopropyl alcohol in with my gold just to make sure that I don't have any flakes of the mica that don't get incorporated into the resin. And then once I mix all of that up, I'm just going to back pour on top of the canvas that's inside of the clear resin. And this is just going to give a backing to the coaster of color. And I chose this color because it had a similar color tone to some of the colors in the canvas print. And just going to pour that until I fill the coaster. And then use your popsicle stick just to kind of swirl that resin around. It does actually show up in the end. Not 100% like it looks right now, but it definitely makes a difference in how that final product turns out. Then you just want to allow that to cure per your manufacturer's instructions as well, and you are then complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos. And here's a look at the final product. I personally am very happy with the final product. I love them. Exactly what I was looking for. I was actually happy that they faded a little because it made it look a little I guess more rugged or retro. Not sure of the exact word I'm looking for, but see the detail on the side of the coaster that you get from that mold? Again, incredible mold. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.